Listen to the amount of frogs. Wait, where'd they all stopped. But look. Look, little Pacific tree frog right there. Wow. Cool. At North Mountain Nature Park. Everybody, we are at Emigrant Lake. There's a little blue belly there. Wow. It's pretty cold out. I'm surprised to see the sky. Cool. Alright, I just caught this little juvenile, well, not little, this juvenile skink here at Emigrant Lake.
Let's get a shot of the tail.
Whoa!
Yeah, whoa.
You scar me again. This guy was a little feisty at first. He definitely bit me a few times. Got a beautiful blue tail. Just flipped him under a rock. Yeah.
All right.
Wow. You good? All right. Here we go. Just gonna release him.
Seem to like her.
Wow.
She's just hanging out on your hand.
Yeah. He likes me. He likes me. All right.
Okay.
There we go. Back under his rock.
Okay.
That was super cool. All right. At Emigrant Lake, and I caught another skink. This guy, definitely hard to catch, but I got him. This guy was a lot less feisty as the other one. Looks like this guy dropped his tail because it's not very long. Usually it'd be a lot more longer and more blue for this guy. Sorry, out of focus. Come on, focus. Camera. Here we go. Wait, no.